perfect day on Woodward. Here at M1, oh, what a beautiful place, nice people, beautiful cars. Look at them all coming in, oh. And the nice thing is you get to see them run. So they come by, you hear them running, oh, beautiful, beautiful.
What a better thing to jump off a build with than M1 Concourse. Lincoln's 100th celebration. It's right in our backyard. Now we get to bring all of our friends, family, and everybody in here and get to celebrate it with us.
It's honestly in just such awe of every car that's out here. I probably stared way too long, probably drooling over all the rest of the Vipers that were here.
The unveil was awesome. I mean, the fact that that crowd showed up at noon on a Friday to see that car get unveiled, if that doesn't tickle you pink and you're not flattered by that, you got a real personality issue because it's overwhelming.
I've seen 800 reasons for me to buy a really cool car. The variety and the passion and the designs here today and all the different brands and badges, I've never seen anything like this in the Motor City, never.
Meeting some really cool people, met some folks around here, like a former designer from GM, and so you're up in where it all began.
We're honored to be here. Our club is honored to be here, honestly.
And we heard we're the largest Corvette club in the country that's here.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
This is amazing. This is a must come to. It really is.